Comfort is the new sexy.
Let's talk about why few stitches gives more comfort.
So a seamless bonded bra uses a special.
And this sounds like a dream, like staying home without wearing a bra.
I can see the Gen Zs are not ready to tolerate any discomfort. But the bonded bras, I feel they are into this new era where there's zero distraction feel.
Correct me if I'm wrong. I think a lot of women has had this moment where you leave your home feeling great, your outfit is perfect, you're having a good day, and suddenly your bra straps slips, and then it starts digging in. And then out of nowhere, your bra become your main character of your day. And today we're going to talk about the category which is trying so hard to be noticed: seamless bonded bras. For the people who had already used this product, it's their favorite. And to explain why this is favorite for so many people, we have our in-house lingerie expert Purnima with us today. Hello, Purnima.
Hello, Varshini. So happy to be here again.
Yes.
Seeing the response, what we saw in the last episode,
Yeah.
I can see like a lot of women are interested and curious to know what is the right size, what is
Exactly.
the right fit. So it's happy. It feels happy that we are educating a lot of women out here.
Yeah. And especially the last episode, we got a lot of responses. Like personally, people, they really related to it and they are listening to it. And, listening to all this, this feels good because we're helping out so many people, right? Whatever information you're giving is not just another information, it's life changing factors for a lot of people, right? So that's there.
Great.
Yeah.
Always happy to help them.
Absolutely. So I want you to explain what seamless bonded bra is.
Okay. It's very simple. Let me make it more simpler.
Mm.
So a seamless bonded bra uses a special heat fusion technique.
Okay.
Okay. So in that, generally in a regular bra, the panels are sewed together. Okay,
Okay.
the panels are stitched together.
Yeah.
Instead, in this, the two layers of the fabric are melted using heat, pressure, and adhesive guides.
Oh.
Adhesive films, basically.
Okay.
Okay, so the parts are fused together. More appropriate, I would say, they would be like a roasted grilled cheese sandwich.
Oh, my God. I mean, so this is literally like it's been cooked.
Yes.
It does sound like a sandwich, though. I mean, the two fabrics are melt together. It's glued together, is what you're
Yes.
trying to say.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
It's not been stitched.
No, so it's completely stitch free.
Oh, right.
So that's what it makes seamless bonded bras.
Right. Right. So let's forget about the manufacturing part. Personally, I'm asking you, you would have attended a lot of trial sessions, right? So you would have seen a lot of people wearing it. So I personally wanted to know how people felt when you wore when they wore a bonded bras.
Okay, so whenever I've seen, mostly it's a shock. Okay, so women wear this and see themselves on the mirror and they question themselves like, how come this is so soft? How come everything is in place?
Yeah, I mean, I could able to relate because I wore it for the first time and I literally felt like I was not wearing a. It didn't feel like I was wearing a bra at all.
Yeah, it's like an instant comfort
Yeah.
that is being given to you.
Yeah.
Okay? And it feels different. It feels wow, something is different here.
Yeah, and it's a good difference because it feels like a upgrade which you never knew you needed.
Exactly.
Right.
Like, see, the stitched bras, we all wear stitched bras, okay? But the bonded bras, I feel they are into this new era where there's zero distraction feel.
Yeah.
Okay, and one try you give, people feel like it's worth the hype.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I wore it and I know it's right that it was hyped. Okay, let's talk about why few stitches gives more comfort. I'm asking this question as a person who don't know about this entire process. So why do they say that a garment which has less stitches gives more comfort? Because from a customer point of view, a garment which has few stitches is holding your entire breast weight. That is a bit of a concern, right? But why do they say it gives more comfort?
Okay. Let me explain this. Okay.
Yeah.
Fewer stitches means there's no extra stitches which scratches your body or your skin.
Okay.
Okay, and there are no visible necklines under your fitted garments.
So why do they say less stitch in a garment gives more comfort?
Okay, fewer stitches actually means there's less number of threads which are going to irritate your skin.
Yeah.
Okay, and less visible seams under your fitted garments,
Yeah.
and less poking bumps. Okay, which are going to poke you, and also less fold over edges.
Okay.
So it is going to lie flat on your skin,
Okay.
mostly like a second skin.
Yeah.
So this is more ideal for hot weather, for people who have sensitive skin, and who want to wear fitted garments.
Okay, so it deals with skin sensitivity also.
Yes,
That's more
course.
important. That's very major for every woman. And it also sounds like a bra which doesn't have anger issues or irritate you or rage bite you or something, because
Yes.
most of the bras does it and it's so annoying.
Yes.
So I've heard seamless bonded bras use premium fabric. So can you talk about it?
Yes, fabrics play a very important role. Okay, there are different types of fabrics what we use in the seamless bonded bras, like the nylon blends. So why we use nylon blends? Because they are ultra stretchy,
Yeah.
they are cool to touch, and they're durable. They are smooth and invisible in
Okay.
your outerwear.
Okay.
And apart from that, we use microfibers as well. So the microfibers are thin but very strong. Okay, and they are breathable as well, and they do not retain your sweat.
Okay.
So many people have an aversion towards nylons or microfibers.
Okay.
That's because they feel, okay, cotton is the best. Okay,
Yeah.
cotton is best. It's not like we're not denying the fact.
Yeah.
But cotton usually what happens is like it absorbs the sweat, so it retains the moisture in the fabric. But in the other way around, nylon fibers or the microfibers wicks the sweat. So it
Okay.
keeps you light and smooth,
Okay.
and you feel very light.
So it doesn't, it just absorb your sweat and it just not retain it.
Yes, it
Right.
wicks away.
Okay,
Okay.
so it does all the 80% of a job then, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So apart from that, we use the bonding films. Okay. So the bonding films are skin safe. Those are invisible glues, I would say.
Okay.
And that is the reason why the garment is smooth and flat.
Okay.
So all this results in no lines, no weight, feels very smooth and light. All these fabrics plays a major role in it.
So this explains why it is seamless bonded, which actually is seamless. Understood. Yeah.
So 80% of the job is done by the fabric.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
fabrics play a very important role here.
Agreed.
So premium fabrics are very important here.
Agreed. Yeah. All right. Now let's compare bonded bras versus regular bras that we use. It's not to demean the other categories, but I genuinely wanted to know the difference between them part by part.
Okay, so bonded bras, right? So bonded bras, as we mentioned earlier also, they are stitch free. So they are made using heat technique. So they are more light, ultra light, I would say, more skin friendly, and they are a go-to bra. Okay, for your everyday comfort.
Okay.
Stitch bras, on the other case, the regular bras, they're also comfortable. It's not like it's not comfortable, but the purpose is different.
Okay.
They are more for lift, shaping, contouring your breast. Okay, so both are different. They have their own jobs,
Okay.
I would say.
So this sounds like a win and win.
Yeah.
It's like boots and heels. Both are regular and it is necessary also, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
They have their own purpose,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
So stitch bras are more ideal for heavier brushes.
Understood. So now let's talk about the cup sizing. Now, double D, E, F. So can they use bonded bras?
Let me be honest, right? No. The
Okay.
answer is no, right? As I mentioned in the previous episodes as well, right? Like plus sizes require greater support
Okay.
because the volume is huge.
Yeah.
So a special construction, a special engineering needs to be done at the cup portion for plus sizes. So seamless bonded bras are smooth, flexible, and ideal for smaller cup sizes.
Okay.
So these bras are more perfect for smaller bust sizes who fall into A, B, C, sometimes D cups as well,
Okay.
and more for fitted garments and a hot weather.
Okay.
So I wouldn't suggest for plus sizes. They require a special kind of bra.
Oh,
Okay, they can go for minimizers, but not seamless bonded bras.
okay. Understood.
So these bonded bras are more ideal for cup sizes which come under A, B, C, sometimes D. Okay. When the breast requires moderate level of support. In that cases, seamless bonded bras are best. They are the
Okay.
go-to bras when they want a fitted t-shirt look. So this works well, but ideally not for bigger sizes, double
Understood.
Ds and above. They can easily go with minimizer bras or high support bras. That would be much better for them.
Yeah. So we use this phrase second skin a lot of time, right? So I want you to explain what that is for the audience clearly.
Okay. There are no internal bumps in the product, right?
Yeah.
And the fabrics moves with you
Mm.
and it adopts your breast shape
Okay.
and the product weighs nothing. And sometimes it feels like you're not wearing anything.
Yeah.
What I would say is this bra is a silent version of luxury.
Yeah. I mean, this sounds like a dream, like staying home without wearing a bra,
Yeah.
right?
It does gives that feel.
Yeah. Yeah.
So obviously it is a second skin.
That explains very clearly. You know, earlier on, women picked bras by its color or lace or for the drama it gives, right? But now they started choosing comfort first, and that's a very good thing. And I'm very happy that's finally it's happening. But I wanted to know, when did you realize this change is happening?
Okay. Comfort is the new sexy, I would say. Okay. And there are few reasons I have been noticing that women are shifting towards comfort more. One such case would be when this work from home happened. So women started realizing it's okay to work in pajamas for 8 hours. Then why should I even wear a torture device the whole day?
Yeah.
So they have tasted the comfort there.
Yeah.
So they're not okay with any discomfortable bras. And fashion has moved towards minimalism, where women are wearing plain kurtas, a plain t-shirt,
Yeah.
seamless dresses.
Yeah.
So all these require invisible bras, right?
Yeah.
Then positivity. Okay, women towards body positivity. So the thumb rule is like, if it hurts, it's not for me. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So they don't want to adjust. It's okay. It's okay to move on. Choose the comfortable one. And the last would be the Gen Zs, right? I can see the Gen Zs are not ready to tolerate any discomfort.
Yeah.
So that generation is ready to cancel anything that irritates them. Let it be clothing, let it be accessories, makeup, even their ex-boyfriends.
Very true. And it got a bit personal as well. I could relate.
Basically, they are overachievers for comfort, I would say.
Yeah.
Always topping the class.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is amazing conversation that we had today, and now I can understand why people are so obsessed with these bonded bras now, because literally this is the superstar of all the products, right? And
Yes.
this is the topmost trending products also in the market, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. So once you upgrade yourself, you never go back.
Yeah, absolutely. You're watching Inside Out Convo, brought to you by Shy Away, and I'll see you in the next episode.